Olympia Lightning Bolt, the daughter of Jamaican international track star Usain Bolt, got baptized. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. We ask you, please remember, like, share, click that notification bell, click on all so you're always in tune whenever we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who's been good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So the track star Usain Bolt decided to take the time out just to share with his family and close loved ones for this Christmas. Now recently, as you know, Usain Bolt became a father to a daughter with his longtime girlfriend Casey Bennett, and this has been one of the most jubilated moments for the international track star. Recently, Usain Bolt was voted the top athlete for 75 years, which was a major accomplishment for the local track star, and many people as well missed him from the tracks on the international scene as well. So the international track star Usain Bolt took the time out just in order to share with his family and friends in relation to a video posted on his social media platform, and this was the actual baptism of his daughter. So Usain Bolt posted a video entitled Olympia's Baptism, in which his firstborn daughter was baptized at an undisclosed Anglican church in Jamaica. Olympia Lightning Bolt parents, her grandmother Jennifer Bolt's best friend and manager Nugent N.J. Walker, and other family members were among those in attendance at the midday ceremony. Olympia Lightning Bolt was born on May 17 to parents Usain Bolt and Casey Bennett. She was 7 months when she was baptized, and this took place yesterday. So without no delay, let's just go over to that right now and bring you up to date with the actual moment that this took place, and this was actually shared by the track star himself. Let's go over to that.
As we gather today, we ask your blessing on Olympia, newly baptized into your family. Hold her in your arms and bless her. Shine your light on the path before her, and let her always feel your loving presence as she travels along the path of life. Lord, in your mercy, hear her.
Baptized in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Amen.
Well, there you have it. That was the actual baptism of the daughter of Olympian track star Usain Bolt and Casey Bennett, the mother. This international track star has cemented his name as one of the greatest ever to have graced this earth. And when we look on his accomplishment over the past few years, it just goes to show you that this man, he created history, and history is still in the making. It was just so sad to see though that he left the track so early, and many would have wanted him to stay much longer. But he's actually a family man now, and he's actually starting his own family with his first daughter and his girlfriend Casey Bennett. And this was just one of those special moments that he decided just to share with us right across the world, and we're just putting it out there to you as well, just to reach his wider diaspora fans right across the world. But much respect goes out to Usain Bolt, and thanks for sharing this video with us at Links 007 TV and actually the world as well. So we're gonna leave this one here for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Link 707 TV. Celebrity Scoop. And guess what? We're out for now. Peace out. Guess what? It's actually Christmas already. Hope you guys are doing fine. Take care and peace out and bless.